So look like this. And it's an epic terrain. Okay. First, with the rectangle paper, we do a triangle. And the corners needs to be stick to each other. And we do the same with this, the other side. Okay, now what we do is keep folding. Okay, now we are gonna make a triangle with the paper. Okay. Okay. There. Now we take these two parts and do a diamond. And then make a crease. And then we do another diamond, but half of it. And make a crease. And then we do the opposite by up. And we do the same thing but doing it up. Now what you do is keep doing it. And then you do this, and then here comes the cool part. You need to do a triangle, a piece of it, like that. And then do the same thing with the other piece. Okay. Now what you do is you hold this to the back. And then you do this and make a crease. And then you put this part and then you do the wings. And here's your epic plane. And it looks like this one. The same. And then you could decorate it if you want. Bye. Yeah.